right, it's time for another ride along. Is saying a 10-1. I don't have my other phone with me with the app, but if I'm gonna guess, I'm gonna say it just ran a, well, it's got a couple of 16s in her already. She bit hard, ran good. I'm gonna say it's probably another 16. Maybe a 17 with the DA coming up a little bit. Still a little bit negative, but not crazy negative. Besides, this car typically does really well in this air, negative 500-ish DA. So, let's see what we say. Yeah, well, scoreboard is only showing my 60-foot. So I don't know that that is a good sign. Hopefully we got an ET on that pass. So scoreboard is only showing my 60-foot time. So I will put in the description what she ran if the app allows us to do that. And when I say allows us to do that, I mean if the dang app was working. Either way, it's a gorgeous day, having fun. Only a couple of thousandths off the best 60-foot, so she's dead hooking, running great. Running 10 teens, 93 octane. Well, let's see, I've got the other contraption over here. Let's see here. Grab that other phone and we'll find out what she ran. Hopefully the app was working. Let's see. Hang on just a second. I actually had it in my pocket. Isn't that great? Yeah, looks like the beams didn't work that time. Yep. Oh well. Let's find out if we've got a time slip up at the tree. That's a wrap. This is racing for you guys. Doesn't always go the way that you like for it to. Well, let's go see if that time slips up near the tree. I'll post up the results if there is.